What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Javon Foster. We're back at it with another video. So today we're going to be discussing the new sway market platforms. As many of us know already, we know about sway charts and how awesome sway chart is. It's the future. We're trading, man. Everything about it is beautiful. There's only more, better to come with sway charts, right? So today we want to discuss the recent update with the Sway Charts Pro. Okay, so you go on the Sway Market website, guys. Go to Sway Charts, and if you scroll down below, right, you see Sway Charts Pro platform. Now, just a little recap of how Sway Charts look. This is a demo account here, as you can see right here up here, right, for demo. So it's a Sway Charts account. This is how it look in the back office. If you guys want to learn how to use the original sway charts, which is this, just watch my previous video. I'm going to drop the link somewhere below, right, somewhere on the screen below, so you could start, taking notes on how to use this platform. Okay. Now, what I really want to get into is the update, right, which is Sway Charts Pro. Sway Chart Pro is now available for your web trader, for Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS, right? So I'm gonna show you the how Sway Charts Pro is on the web trader, right? But it's pretty much the same thing if you have the if you download it to your iOS, right? And if you want to download it to your iOS, your Apple device, it literally when you click on download, go do it on your Safari browser, right on your phone. It literally tell you what to do. So when you get that page, it literally tell you after, you know, you're gonna basically click the share button at the bottom of your screen. Then you're gonna add it to your home, right? And gonna continue the procedure with adding, and then it should be on your phone, and whenever you're ready to use it, just click on it, and you're ready to you're available to use that app, right? And you always be logged in, right? Okay, and you can also set also passcode. So whenever you click on the app, you input your passcode, right? So it's for security reasons. Now, once again, I'm not going to be doing the iOS example. I'm going to be using on the web trader, but it's pretty much it's literally the same thing, guys, right? But for in terms of you guys having a better understanding how to use Sway Pro, I will use the web trader, but it's the same thing. Now, let's take a look at it. So take this off. When you go into web trader, it should bring you here. And I am logged in also on my demo account, right? So the same as it gets the same value here. That was on the sway chart. Original, right? It's the same thing. So this is my demo account, okay? Now, to start off, let's start off with your list, right? The pairs that you like to trade. So I went on by just adding a few pairs such as US 30, gold, and Bitcoin, right? And it's simple. If you want to add stuff to your list over here, which you just click list, right? Once you click list, you could click edit, right? And once you click edit, you can either X off pairs. Like if I want to take off US 30, click the X, take it off. If I want to add a pair, I could just go back to here to list and click add here. And I could just type in US 30, and there you go. I could just add it back, click save, boom, it's on my chart, right? Next, and then after that, once you add all your favorite pairs that you like, you can then save your watch list. You just click save watch list, and I'll put it under save as market banner, and just click save, boom, and you can always, right, then you could always just whenever you need it, you could load your watch list, and it should be right there. Okay. Um, now the view icon, right? You click on view, you can, you know, you could either have the pairs to look in this pair, or you can switch it to the deal tickets, which shows you like this, right? And even with that, you can click simple version, and basically what it gives you is the lot size you can adjust, your stop loss and your target. And as you can see, scroll down, it has all of them ready for you. Just click sell and buy, Bitcoin, etc. Personally, I like the view of the grid. It's just much more simpler, right? My son in the background, oh, excited on his tablet. So, right. So what's next? Um, so now I just went over the view, and you can just play around with this and see different things. Do groupings and all that stuff, like asset class, position long, etc. Right, and you also have your tools and all that stuff. So new order, etc. You can do all that stuff. Now let's move on to the charts area. So the charts is very beautiful. I like it a little bit better than the sway charts, right? The original sway charts. I like the sway charts pro chart. It's a little more simpler to maneuver. It looks cleaner. I like it much looks more advanced to me, right? You can change your candlesticks, so hollow candles if you want over here, and play around with that if you want. Stick to candle. You also can change your crosshairs, so arrows, markers, move, etc. Right? Do all the stuff like the cross chain right here. Also, you could add indicators. If I want to add an indicator, for example, moving average, let me just type that in. Moving average. Let's say moving exponential, moving average, and let's say I can edit it right here. I want to make it 50. You can actually play with the styles as well, levels, etc. Yada yada yada. Then save, and now I have a 50 EMA on my chart. Simple as that for Bitcoin. Um, what's next? We also have settings, and as always, just like the sway charts, the setting you can just go through it, play with stuff, change it. Have your chart. You could save your chart template here if I want to keep this EMA, right? On all my pairs, I could just save it, and it will always be there. The beautiful thing too is that this is Bitcoin. If I just click on US 30, it's changed. And it's like, I don't have to drag the chart, or I don't have to right click and open that chart. I don't have to type in the name up here, right? I just, the symbol up there, I just click on it and it just switches my pair. I could just go through them like that. That's one of them. I feel like that feature is very cool, right? Um, Next, we could set price alert, which is very beautiful, right? You can now set price alerts if you expect gold to hit a certain number and you want to be alerted on your mobile app, wherever. Hey, gold just how you do on TradingView, you have price alert. You can do the same thing here on Sway Charts Pro, which is beautiful. That is phenomenal, right? Last, right, with the charts, and if you click this deal ticket, which is the sway chart, sway market symbol, click on it, right? It open it to the side here for you, which is also beautiful. So if you're looking for to enter a trade, it's already open up over here for you. You can click, you can select your limit or stop order if you want, or keep a market execution. You can also adjust your lot size when you scroll down, your stop loss, TP, all that stuff, guys. Right. Another thing that I do love as well, right, is this feature here. So if I click on this blue icon here, right, I can set a buy limit and I can move my limit order around. Like I could set it right there. And then once I set it where I want it to be, I click the check over here and boom, I'm in a buy limit, as you can see action here. Okay. Um, but as you see, the loss at 0.01. So I should have adjust that. But if I want to adjust that, I could click this tool icon here. And as you can see, close, edit, all that stuff, guys, right? So if I were to click on edit, for example, right, I can edit my price, I can edit my lot size, all that stuff, stop loss, all that stuff, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna X that off. Okay. And it's the same thing for the sell. Also, if I just want to enter, I can just double click here. Boom, I'm in the market execution. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. I want to close my trade. Just click this X icon here. I'm out the market. All right. And it's the same thing for the red column here. This red bar is for if you want to do a sell limit, you just drag it. You do a sell stop or sell limit, right? Do either or if you want. If I do a sell stop, put it underneath, right? Put the check. It will tell you right there, sell stop, lot size, blah, blah, right? So beautiful. I really love Sway Chart Pro, guys. Now, so I just went over those items. And as we have the view and stuff, how, the things you want to view here. I like how this is already. Shows you a lot, your net profit, pips, open price, stop loss, TP, current, like, all that stuff. I like it, the commission. I really like that. So I don't think, anything else needs to change. You look at the click on balance to kind of show you everything else that's going on, your margin use and all that stuff, right? Show your profit or loss up here when you're in the trade. Okay. If we also go to the, so for example, if I were to enter a couple trades on Bitcoin, let's say I enter a couple sells, right? As you can see, just one click trading right there, enter a couple sells. And I click right here, the position icon up here, right? It shows me where I'm in, and I could just close positions. I can, edit positions, all that beautiful stuff. And another beautiful thing, guys, that I really love about this, right? Either you go to the list here and you can just click the icon and you can close trades or whatever. But if you're on your desktop and you're doing it here, one of the most beautiful thing I love when you click this icon, the tool icon here, guys, right? I can close partials by my percentage automatically. I want to close 25% of the trade, 50%, 75%, 33%, 66%. Or I want to take off an exact certain amount of lot like this. We have a 0.1 on this trade, so I want to take a 0.2, whatever. I can do that. Also, your stop loss, right? You can adjust your stop loss, take profit, all that stuff. How many pips from your entry you want your take profit to be? How many pips from your stop loss you want to take profit to be? Completely love that. And the most beautiful thing that I love is a one click for break even. You don't have to click anything else, guys, and put your stop loss at break even. You don't got to type in the numbers. You just click on the icon, click break even, automatic your trade. As you can see right, the green icon, your trade is at break even, right? So we can right? So that's one of the things that I absolutely love on this, guys. You can just put your trade exactly at break even with no complete worries, guys. Okay. And look, it hit break even, it closed me out. It hit break even and closed me out automatically. I love that, guys. I really, really love that. Right. If and going back here, if I want to close, say I want to close, right? If you guys notice, I have a 0.1 lot on here. So if I want to close partial, let's say 50%. Now I got a 0.05 line. I absolutely effing love that, guys. I love that. Like Sway Chart Pro is literally the future, man. And there's so much more to come. There's so much more to come. Also, click this menu icon over here at the top left hand. You see you have your home screen, you have a chart screen, right? You can look at your charts. You could just, if you want to mark up any specific chart, right? So Bitcoin, for example, BTC, USD, enter, right? And it showed my position. I can mark my charts and do that, all that stuff that I want. And if I want to enter the trade once again, if I'm just trading directly from here, I can mark on my chart. If I want to enter the trade, or sell, double click. I'm going to trade for a buy. Sorry, if I want to enter for a buy or sell, double click. If I want to set a limit order, etc. Right, love that. You can see a quotes page, so it shows me the pairs that I'm in. It shows me all the pairs on my watch list, but it also shows me my pairs that I'm in, my lot size, and a net profit. Right. Um, Another thing you can see your trades. Right, these are the two trades that I'm in on the menu. Everything look clean. Look how clean this look, guys. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Right, now I could just exit. Boom, close off that trade. Also account history. It shows your account history. Now everything my here might be negative because this is my demo account. I use it to create videos, right? So it shows you my current history right here. It tells you my worst and my best. As obviously it's not gonna show my best. It shows you how my the worst pair that I trade, how much I lost, like this GU trade that I lost $9.30, right? It shows you, all that stuff. Um, the number of trades and all that stuff. It tells you 2 trades, 8 trades, 3 trades. Obviously, most of it's going to be red because I don't, this is my demo. It's not real trading. It shows you my winner and losers ratio. So it literally, you have a full report of how you trade in the back office here. And I really appreciate and love that, guys. Because now you can journal and see your progress and stuff and see, where you have issues and, what pairs you're most successful with, all that stuff, right? Shows you, your return profit for the day, week, month, quarter, etc. All that stuff. So I really, really, really appreciate this. You can also change, you can get statements, guys. Also, this is the list. It shows you your pairs and stuff. You can just go through this Play with it a little bit on demo account, see how it works, right? Absolutely love this. It's phenomenal. Go to the homepage, you bring it back to everything here. Now I'm ready to close off XStat. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I love sway charts, guys. If you guys have any question, if there's something I forgot to go over, right, and you guys have any questions, I ask you guys to just please comment below your questions. I will create another video in full details explaining how to do such problem that you need to figure out. Okay. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in. This is your boy Javon Foster. If you have any questions, comment below. Please like and share and subscribe. Peace.